going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackmon here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. And I have the birthday girl with me, Serena Blackmon. How old are you today?
5.
5 years old. Hey, I just wanted to drop in with you guys. We're on the north side of Akron in the Chapel Hill area on Hyde Park. My partners just closed on this property, single family home, 3-bed, 1-bath ranch. So I just wanted to let you know that we're really getting aggressive in this particular area for buying houses. So if you have a property that you wish to sell for whatever reason, foreclosure, divorce, tax liens, whatever, give us a call for a free consultation. All your information will be kept confidential, okay? We don't charge any real estate commissions. We can pay in cash, and we look to close in 30 days or less. So if you have any questions or you want to get in contact with one of us, give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.